I'm an alligator. I'm a mama, papa coming for you.
Nova Science Now.
Hello. Today we're going to experiment with the Blizzard 3000 and how the number of rubber bands affects how far and how accurate it shoots.
We are here with the Blizzard 3000.
Keep your electric on, baby. With your ray gun to my head. Press your space nose to my love. Freak out.
Science Now presents round 2.
2 rubber bands.
You could see the duct tape is around where the first one landed. Wow, look at that! That is right there. Welcome back to the final round of Nova Science Now. It's getting a little crazy out here, needed some help. Ignacio, explain.
We're gonna do 3 rubber bands. I don't know if it's safe, but we're gonna try.
Okay. So we're predicting a very long launch here. No previous trials done, by the way. This is all on the fly. I'm gonna stand back here. You can see right there is the second one. Go.
3, 2, 1.
Wow.
Oh!
Right here. Right there. You could see from right there. Here's where the third one landed. Back here on Nova Science Now. Things are getting absolutely insane. Ignacio, give him the deets.
We're going with 4 rubber bands. I'm ready.
I don't know about this. This is getting kind of crazy. I'm gonna just stand back here. Again, no trials. There's our first, second, third. I'm in the line of fire, guys. I'm putting my life in danger for physics.
2, 1.
Wow, would you look at that? Right there.
Statement on Nova Science Now.
Hello. I really hope you enjoyed our experiment on the Blaster 3000. We learned that as you add tension in rubber bands, the projectile will go farther. Remember, kids, to strap on your helmet and get ready to rock and roll. I love science.
Freak out when I'm